ready to show you what's in the box.
In the box? What's in the box?
If anyone's seen our little short and Instagram, we showed you a week ago that we had a box and we we're going to reveal it, but of course it's been raining
Non-stop. Horrible.
Yeah. So we're going to drop this video in before you see the rest of our trip. And the reason we're not going to wait until you've seen all our trip videos, is because we're excited and we can't wait to start using it. So when you see the upcoming videos of our trip, you're not going to see this thing in action, but we wanted to show you now. If anybody knows us, you know that Buglugs here has a
bad back.
Bad back.
And neck.
Yep.
So
and hip. Might as well throw it all in now.
Well, I was born with spondylolisthesis, and so I've had 3 back surgeries to try to correct it, which haven't exactly worked. And now my neck is playing up as well. And the first operation I had, they fused me crooked, which is wearing my hip out. So we were tossing up whether...
So you've got to have a hip replacement?
Eventually. So we were... Because the jockey wheel is quite hard to wind up, we were looking for alternatives, and we were thinking, should we sell the Caravan and just not worry about it?
Because since being on this trip that we were on, and you know, every couple of days we'd stop and stay a week or whatever.
Yeah, because you got to put the jockey wheel on, take it off, wind up. It's quite hard to wind up.
And some days, John's in a lot of pain, and whether it's from his back or neck, you know, it can be both in one day. It could be one in one day, one in the next. It was actually a lot, wasn't it?
Yeah, so we've been looking at alternatives to get away from jockey wheel. So
we've looked at 3. The 3 that we thought were the most popular around, and we came up Trailer Mate, the Boss, and the Blackjack. So we did as much research as we could, and we asked questions, and there were, they all were pretty good. They're just different.
Yeah, we mainly wanted one as well that was mounted to the drawbar, and we didn't have to take off and put on all the time as well.
So the Boss, if you've seen the Boss trolley jack, it is like a, did I say that trolley jack right? Jockey wheel. It's like a jockey wheel.
But you need your cordless drill to drill it up.
But you need a cordless drill. So there's that one.
Yeah. The
Trailer Mate is hydraulic. It looked pretty simple.
Yeah, it was. It's pretty easy. Just like a hydraulic jack. Yeah.
Yeah. And then the Blackjack is an electric one.
So it's hardwired up to your battery.
Yeah. So weight-wise, I saw that the Trailer Mate was 14.9 kilos. The Blackjack was 17 kilos, and I couldn't actually find how much the Boss weighed. Just its own weight.
Just looking at it, looked like it weighed a lot less than the rest of them.
Yeah,
there wasn't much to it because you had to actually put a jack to it,
and then,
a drill to it.
And then you had the lifting capacity, or the working load limit, I think it's called, and the Trailer Mate. So there was 2 different Trailer Mates. There's a red one and a blue one. So the red one, from what we could see when we've been in caravan parks, the red one of the Trailer Mates was the most popular. And that only has 1,000 kilo lifting capacity, where the blue one's got 1,500 kilo. The Boss had a 1,800 kilo lifting capacity, and the Blackjack had a 1,600 kilo. So all of them had plenty.
Oh, heaps.
Yeah. You know, not a problem.
Well, ball weight's only not even 350, so it's around what, 280-ish. So
yeah, so it had heaps, easy. Warranty wise, I couldn't find anywhere what the Trailer Mate was. The Boss had a 2-year one, and the Blackjack
on the website.
Interesting,
yeah.
On the website there was 3-year warranty, but 1-year warranty, and I couldn't work it out. So there was that, and then the prices.
Yeah, the prices were pretty much the same, not much difference.
And it was kind of like, there was a huge difference in prices for each one depending on where you bought it from. So I did an average price, and so for the Trailer Mate, and when I say average, it was like looking at all the different places, the average price was approximately $450
for the Trailer Mate. Yeah.
For the Trailer Mate.
Yep.
The Boss was approximately $350, and the Blackjack depending on, because it had 3 different
what package you want.
packages. Yeah. So the biggest package, biggest kit, which has everything in it, was approximately $545.
Yeah. So
and I mean, they all had their own features, and I'm not going to go all into their features because they all differed dramatically.
And they suit people differently as well.
Yeah, yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab the box and unpack it and show you what we got, why we got it, and yeah, I can't remember what we got and why we got it.
Well, we got it because we thought it was the best.
We thought it was the best one for us. I mean, we got a lot of opinions. Like on our Instagram posts, a lot of people put different ideas or different brands. A lot of people sent us messages, which was really great to see.
Yeah, the Trailmate was the most popular
one we got. But these other 2 people also sent us messages about. Then we found the BLACKJACK wasn't as heard of or known about, but very, very popular in America. Like, we YouTubed a lot as well.
But it's electric as well, so it's just an up and down button.
And I think it's only been around for like a year.
Yeah.
So anyhow, I'll go and grab the box, and we'll just move everything out the way. John will get down on the ground because you'll see in our future travel videos what I've done. So we're back home at the moment, and I'm stuck in one of these. So comfy, John?
Got you my special scissors. So we placed an order with Titan RV, and it was here in 2 days. The service was really good from them, and let's see what's in the box.
Let's see what's in the box.
You could have your trusty scissors.
Trusty scissors from the $2 shop that will break, I'm sure.
Like a box inside a box.
Oh, is it?
So we got the BLACKJACK, and the warranty is 3 years because it says it on the box. We weren't sure before, but it actually says it on the box. 3 years warranty.
3 year warranty. There you go.
And that's it there.
Cool. Hang on, I'll see if I can get closer. BLACKJACK. So pull it all apart, John. Let's get it all out. Okay. So, and while John's doing that, I'll just let you know. So we decided on this one. One, we can leave it on the van. If John's in not a good way, I can easily do it because it's just a touch of a button.
And this one's got a level on the top as well, don't forget.
Yeah. Once it's all installed, there's no strain on John's back or neck.
That's put on the ground.
Oh yeah. In case you have a power failure, you can do it manually. I believe there's what do you call them, John? The little windy thing.
Yeah, so you've got a little windy handle that's really easy to operate.
Yeah.
So in case you have a power failure or the motor doesn't work or something, you can just use it as a normal jockey wheel, but it's geared to be really easy.
Okay. There's 3 options. So like I said, check the website on this one. We have chosen the complete kit. So it's got all the wiring harnesses and everything in it.
Yep.
It's got a night light at the top of it, so if you're pulling up to your site later in night, you can see. It's got a built-in level indicator, and it's 12 volt, 28 amp DC power, and it plugs directly into the 12 volt battery. So John's just going to show you all the little pieces. Do you know what it all is yet, John?
Yeah, so you get 3 stubby holders.
Oh, really?
Yeah, from Titan RV.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, so that's a little pad that you put on the ground, so when you goes up and down, it doesn't dig into the ground.
That looks pretty solid too.
Yeah, so we got the wiring kit, so we can directly hardwire it to the battery. I don't know what that is. That's the cover that goes on the top.
Oh yeah, it comes with a...
It's waterproof, but it's just a protective cover. Obviously instructions, bolts. Yeah, that's it there. So
it looks so little, doesn't it?
Yeah, so you've got your...
Hang on.
Your on off, your up and down, And then if you undo that, that's where you stick the handle into.
Oh, your little crank wheel.
Yeah, to wind it up and down.
And is that the light there, the little green thing up the top?
No, that's your level.
Oh, that's
indicator.
your leveler. Okay. Oh, I think the light's down there underneath.
The light is, the light's right there.
Yeah.
And there's your mounting bracket, which is pretty good. You've got lots of mounting holes for different A-frames.
That's right. I think they said there's 6 different chassis bolt holes, and there's like don't quote me on this. I think it was would it be 6 inch? Would that be correct? Inch, the holes, 6 inch, 5 inch, and a 4 or 3 or something like that.
Yeah, obviously if you're going off-road, full off-road, your chassis are bigger and.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
it accommodates all size chassis just by that. But we'll show you how that when we actually mount it on the Caravan. But that's pretty much it. It's nice and neat and tidy, and it just stays on there, and it's easy.
Yeah,
just up and down. None of that. It's just
the press of
easy.
a button. So yeah, and basically at the end of the day, we understand that people love their trailer mate. We understand that people love their boss because of the ease of things. But for us and our circumstances, being able to just press a button and having that 3-year warranty, peace of mind for us. And I annoyed the company, the poor buggers, with questions, and they were so helpful. They not once did they get fed up with me. I just kept asking questions. But what if this, and how do I do this, and so.
Yeah. But it does. It looks really solidly built. Like that bracket. It's just We'll go more in depth when we get it outside.
Yeah.
Put it on the Caravan, but it looks. First impressions, it looks like it's really good quality. So there you go, guys. We've chosen the Blackjack, and we will do a separate install video.
Yeah.
But thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bells, or even just smash the like button. It's even better.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See yous.